So how things are assessed in sewer pipelines? Usually, we call for a CCTV truck, okay, where we use a CCTV camera that we inserted from a manhole, and that camera drives inside the invert of that pipeline from one manhole to another. So here I have a manhole, and here a manhole. This is a connecting pipe. So I insert a camera from one manhole. That camera is gonna drive and capture the internal environment or the internal condition of the pipe. So this is a concrete pipe, it's a circular pipe. That person inside that truck is going to keep and manually, record the condition of that pipe. If he sees a crack, then he's gonna take a caption, record that there is a crack at, a 2 o'clock position, and it is structural grade. Once the data capture is complete, someone would need to QA/QC it. So it's all manual process. That QA/QC is done by an engineer, and then from the QA/QC process, once they confirm the type of defects and their severity, they will select and identify a rehab, selection method, whether it is a conventional replacement or trenchless technology, and so on and so forth. And from there, one would be able to provide the government with how much replacement needs to be done per year. So for example, in 2022, based on the condition of these assets, you need to budget $2 million in order to replace, a certain asset or that specific pipe. Generally, this is mapped in a GIS to locate where are the replacement. This process is really time consuming because this person usually evaluates 1,500 foot of pipes per day, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of resources. One of the aspects in evaluating those, defects, I'm not going into details because this is talking about the standard, but these are some of the defects that we see in a sewer pipeline. I know that this is disgusting, but some of our engineers do see them on a daily basis before their lunch. So imagine how things horrible are. So we see structural defects, and some of them are related to cracks, fracture. So this is a crack, for example. They call it multiple crack. This is a root inside a sewer brick. And they call it attached deposit incrustation. It's the calcite. This is a concrete pipeline. Operational defects are the ones that impact the hydraulics of the pipe. So here, for example, it is reducing the capacity of that pipe, this attached deposit. And some construction features in case there is a tap inside that pipe or lateral, they record it, and some other miscellaneous defects.